Today we're going to talk about pearls. Yes, I want to reimagine pearl jewelry because I know that there's the classic traditional look of pearls and then there's the more modern updated look that I've been really having fun with. So in these boxes here are all jewelry pieces that were gifted to me by the brand Gingiberi. Now I've featured Gingiberi in the past and I've really fallen for their pearl pieces. So here is a pearl bracelet that I've been wearing for the last few months, and this one here I paired with my diamond tennis bracelet. So as you can see, paired together, it really just pops. What I've noticed is that when I wear pearls, it really brightens up my look, it brightens up my skin tone, and especially when paired with diamonds, it just adds a different texture and a much more fun twist than if I were to wear it individually. Here I've got a really fun ring that I've been wearing in previous videos. I've had this also for a few months from Gingiberi. It's on sterling silver and it's got two different size pearls here, and it's an open look, so it just has that modern contemporary twist to it. So when we think about pearls, I know we think of old-fashioned sometimes we think of more mature, older looks, which I think is actually very regal and elegant. But when it comes to everyday, sometimes pearls can feel a little serious. So I want to introduce to you new pearl jewelry from Gingiberi. This video is kindly sponsored by them, but I have truly become a big fan of their pieces, and I've actually come to learn a lot about pearls through researching Gingiberi and their pearl jewelry. So I'm going to open every single one of these boxes and then I'll talk you through each piece, and I'll also give you styling and mod shots. This is the only non-pearl piece here, and this was a huge hit in my first video that I did with Gingiberi a few months back, and you might be surprised that I have it again. I'll talk about this in a minute, but this is my second pair and I will explain. Here we've got classic pearl studs, a pair of hoop earrings made entirely of pearls and solid gold, and I think this is so cool, so interesting and unique. I'll give you a closer look in a minute. This one here is another style bracelet. One thing I love is that all of the pearl jewelry from Gingiberi is set in solid gold or sterling silver. So you know that it's meant to last, it's not going to tarnish. And here we've got a beautiful pearl necklace here, and I will try this on for you in a bit. So before I give you close-ups of each piece, let me just say the packaging and the presentation from Gingiberi is always so on point, with the bow, the outer box, and then of course the inside box here has this beautiful soft plush micro suede fiber. It's really nicely done, looks very expensive, very luxurious, perfect for gifting over the holidays. And each item also comes with a really well presented certificate of authenticity, so that always gives you peace of mind because there are different quality grades for pearls, which I'll talk about through this video. And I'm pleased to announce that Gingiberi has offered a 15% off promo code, so if you decide to shop, you get 15% off site-wide. And yes, it can be combined with other discounts. At the moment, they are having a promotion for Black Friday. There's an event going on with some great deals. I'll put it up here. And you can actually combine this deal with my code Hannah15 for that additional 15% off. So first let's talk about this necklace here. I do have other necklaces from Gingiberi that are absolutely beautiful. This is one that I had been eyeing ever since my very first video with them. And while Gingiberi does specialize in pearls, I will say I've been really impressed with the quality of the gold chains that they use as well. So this one is a very delicate chain here, and I don't know if you can tell, I'm filming on a very cloudy day at the moment, but you can see the sparkle on the cut of this chain, and every necklace that I have from Gingiberi is like this. The chain is beautiful. So it's not just their pearls, but they really do pay attention to the little details. So I'm going to give you a close-up. This is a very special pearl because it's actually an Akoya pearl. Akoya pearls, if you don't know already, are saltwater pearls, and they're known to be perfectly round. If you didn't know, not all pearls are round. These are perfectly round. I don't know if you can see all the way around. It's perfectly spherical, making it really balanced. And this one here is called the Veiled Heart Necklace. And I love how it has a diamond on top. This is a natural diamond. It's 0.05 carat sitting right on top. It's like the cherry on top of this beautiful pearl. The pearl itself is about 7 to 7.5 millimeters. If you know pearl sizing, it's a beautiful size for every day. And what I've learned about Akoya pearls is that not only are they perfectly round, but they have an extra shine and luster to them. This has more of like a mirror effect. You could almost see my reflection through it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now moving on to these earrings here. They're super fun, really cool and different. Definitely more of a modern take on pearls. So these are called the Honeymoon Duo, and I have to show you how they work. So I am actually unscrewing this. Yes, it has a screw feature. So the earring comes apart in two pieces like this, one larger pearl, and this is an Aurora pearl. In fact, all of the other pieces here I'm going to show you are Aurora pearls, and those are freshwater pearls. Again, fine quality, very premium level quality, more affordable compared to saltwater pearls like Akoya from the necklace that I showed you earlier, but really, really beautiful in and of itself. As you can see, that luster is there as well. And this one is so interesting. So you see how there's a hole there? This has like a screw back to it. Now I didn't realize that this specific design is meant for those who have larger ear piercings. This piece here that goes through the earlobe, it is a little bit thicker. And then you screw it on like this. You see that? Isn't that so cool? So unfortunately, to my dismay, these earrings do not fit in my tiny little ear piercing hole. I know that some people have larger ear piercings. As much as I would love to wear these, they're not going to work for me, but I do want to give them away to one of my subscribers, to one of you, because the holidays are right around the corner, and I always say sharing is caring, and I like to give back to this community. So if you know that the thicker post with the screw design would work for you, and you like this look, this is your aesthetic, I think it's super cool, super fun, then definitely stay tuned because I will share more about the giveaway towards the end of this video. Now this one here I showed you earlier in my first video with Gingiberi, and I got so many comments about this. I had mentioned that it's kind of like the VCF, the Van Cleef Alhambra earrings, the Sweet Alhambra, the smaller ones. And you guys know I don't have anything from VCF. That is intentional. Many of you have asked me why. Some of you have asked me to make a video on that topic, which I may, but I want to give you a good look here. It is so pretty, and it's like cut out. It looks like a piece of art. Now I already have a pair, and in fact this is my pair. So why do I have another? Well, it was so pretty that my mom really, really loved the look. So Gingiberi was kind enough to send me another one of the exact same clover earrings. These are called Lucky Clover, and I'm going to gift it to my mom. So I know these are not pearls, but they're so well done. Again, they're set in solid gold. So there's not going to be any irritation on your ear, and it's not going to tarnish. It's going to last forever. Then of course we have to talk about the classic pearl studs. These are so simple yet classic and timeless, and these are called the See You Later earrings. They're about 6 to 8 millimeters. You can choose the sizing. I chose the smaller ones because I feel like they look really dainty and cute. These also are AAA grade, which means it's premium quality. I've been really impressed with Gingiberi all around so far. These have to be my favorite pair that I received this round because they're just so interesting. As soon as I saw these on the website, I was like, wow, that's so cool. And so these are pearl hoops. Let me take one off. You see how it dangles like this? So there's definitely movement and flexibility in this earring. It's not static, which makes it even more interesting. So you've got all these pearls in different sizes, kind of cascading with the largest right in the center to ground it. And then again, set in 18K solid gold, and you put it through your ear. And then this just goes right through the backing on the other side. And it just is so beautiful, right? So I'm really excited to add these pearl hoops to my rotation. Here we have a bracelet, which is different from the bracelet that I'm wearing. The one I'm wearing is called the Stellar Ballet bracelet. And actually Gingiberi was nice enough to send me a second one of this bracelet here because I told them I love it so much and I wanted to twin with my daughter. I've given it to my daughter already, so I don't know where she placed it. She's at school right now, but this is a really nice bracelet that you can of course mix and match the way I'm doing, stacking it, or wear as a standalone. This also is really pretty. This one is different because it has the gold chain and the pearls combined. And if you can see here in the middle of the chain, there's also these little mini gold balls, which adds more visual complexion. So These pearls right here are about 6 to 7 millimeters. Again, a really great size for everyday wear. It's not going to be overwhelming, but not too dainty, still makes a statement. This one is called the Velvet Starlight Bracelet. So it's this necklace here that's called Lumière de Pro. And this one here is set in sterling silver, just like my bracelet. Actually, let me see, are they the exact same? They're the same size pearls. So I can definitely do a matching look, although I think I'm not really into the super matchy-matchy, so I like to mix and match. And this way it doesn't look too serious. Now, back in the day when I used to work in a very serious corporate job with all these senior executives and I wore power suits, I would wear my pearl necklace on days where I had really big presentations or important meetings. And it definitely made me feel very leveled up. I love how there is like this little ball mechanism, the same as on my bracelet here. And you can pull it to make it shorter or longer, so it is adjustable. So it depends on how you want to wear it, but you can play around with it. I'm just so happy to have these pearls in my collection now. So once again, you get this beautiful packaging and presentation. You do get the certificate of authenticity with each piece. You also have a 3-year warranty on the craftsmanship, and you get the 15% off code Hannah15 if you decide to shop. And it is combinable with any other promotions that happen to be going on at the moment. And there are a lot of sales right now with the holidays. Definitely check out Gingerberry. I will link their website and all these pieces down below in my description box. And I wanted to get back to the giveaway. So for any of you who are interested in these pearl earrings here, in order to enter, you just need to take 3 steps. And that is, first, must be subscribed to my channel. Second, like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and then comment down below. Let me know how you feel about pearls and how you would style these earrings if you were to win them. And then add a gift box emoji at the end of your comment so I know you're entering the giveaway. Because I know some of you may not be entering the giveaway, but you still want to leave a comment. So make sure that if you are entering the giveaway, you add that gift box emoji so I can differentiate those who are entering for the giveaway, those who are just leaving a comment to support this video. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you're enjoying this holiday season so far. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.